Hello, good morning, YouTube friends and family. Okay, today we have a very special collaboration video coming at you. But before I dive in and unbox, I have not seen what's in here yet. Before I do that, I just wanted to share real quick why I have gotten back on the collaboration bandwagon. And the reason that is this year in 2022, I have decided, originally it started with books. I decided that I wasn't going to purchase from Amazon or Barnes and Nobles, that if I wanted new books, that I would purchase those either from the used bookstore, because I am addicted to the 2 used bookstores we have here. But ideally, I'm going to contact the author and support indie. There's just something about supporting indie artists that just lights me up. Well, that took me down other rabbit holes, like journals. I'm not posting these unboxings or these reviews to say, go spend more money, or to have you hoard different things. But I share them because if you are in need of a new journal, if you finish one and you're not sure what you want to try next, I would love to say, rather than going on Amazon and purchasing it through there, why not contact someone who has created beautiful art pieces that are a small indie company to help support these men and women who are trying to support their family by doing what they love. So that is why you have seen more collaboration videos on my channel recently, and will continue, because let's be honest, my love language is gifts. My love language is happy mail. So this is a great way for me to share other companies with you and say, hey, check them out instead of buying from a larger company. So that's what we're here to dive into again today. And this has been something that I have wanted for so long and kept telling myself, you know what, just wait. Don't buy one on Amazon, just wait. And so I reached out to AJ on Etsy from, I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna pronounce the actual name correctly. So if not, I'm so sorry. But AJ from Adeok Leather, Adeeok Leather. AJ is an artist. They're based out of the UK, and they do leather work. Adeok Leather, or Adeok Leather. Check out their Etsy. They have a whole bunch of different products. My eye was immediately drawn to the fountain pen leather holders. So that's what's in here. I have no idea. They did tell me, where is it? The colors, but I have not cheated and looked. So they sent an Indian summer and a brown. So we're gonna dive in. Before I do that, actually, let me read you. I printed off the information from their about page so that we can find out a little more about their story. Every successful business is the outcome of a struggling startup. It's just the right idea at the right time, which makes a venture successful. There is always an inspiration behind the success of any organization. Likewise, we too have an inspiration behind our eco-friendly leather products. The very first time when I visited India for my friend's wedding, I was too excited, as it was my first trip and an exceptional Indian wedding experience. My excitement resulted in intense shopping, and because of that, there was no space left in my bag. Then came a turn in the story when my friend gifted me a full-grain eco-leather bag, which was not only pleasing in its look, but was also spacious enough. After returning back, the bag was used by my entire family. Then I thought of ordering that same bag in a bulk and kept it at a shop for selling. To my surprise, the entire lot of the eco leather bag was sold within a week, and there were no complaints about the quality as well. I then planned to visit India for a second time to learn about the making of those bags. I was stunned to know that there was no machinery behind the production. Can't talk today. In fact, many artisans put their heart and soul to make such ravishing products. Then and there, I decided to stand for them and raise their talents and showcase them internationally. And by God's grace, we have somehow been successful leading this handcrafted venture globally without causing any damage to the environment and with a hope to carry it way ahead, thus preserving the traditional craft and craftsmen in the upcoming generations as well. AJ. So thank you, AJ, for sending me these 2 pen cases. That was so generous. And we are going to open this up and see what's inside. And I'm actually going to fill it with my pens. So I actually brought my current, you guys are gonna like probably laugh, but this is how I'm storing my current pen collection. I've got like 6 that are currently in use, but these are the ones I'm not currently using. And this is not a pen holder case. This is literally on this is, yeah. But I was waiting and I'm so glad I did because we have goodies now to share with you guys. Eek. Okay, so there's one. And there's another. Let me make sure there's not a note in here. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, this says Heather and this has HM. So that's how I'm going to be able to tell. I wrote down Indian Summer has my first name. So this is going to be Indian Summer. So let's dive in. I like how it's wrapped with, okay. I always get so excited unboxing things. This is what I look like also in like, I mean, this is real life, but when I'm not filming for you guys, I get so excited. I also tend to wait, whether it be Happy Mail, I tend to wait so that I can have an empty house and just like ooh and ah and touch and feel. Okay, let's see here. I don't want to like tear into the paper, but I might have to. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is, what did I say? This one was Indian leather, right? Oh, it's gonna patina so well. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me show you the inside. Wow. Right? You guys, I feel like I could cry. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 10 pen holder, leather holder. Look at the craftsmanship. This is super, super soft. And then the zipper, you guys know my issue with zippers. I was worried about how the zipper would be, but it's just perfect. It's like buttery smooth. There's no sticking. Oh, I love the way it smells. So this is the Indian leather one. Let's dive into the brown. And I love how my name is on there. Now I'm gonna have to choose which one to actually fill. Oh wow, this brown. You guys, this brown is gorgeous. Man, I was hoping I'd have a favorite, but I love them both. Oh, wow, you guys, look how dark that is. And there's the HM. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? Okay, let's see how this zipper is. Super smooth, no hiccups, no like hindering. Again, with the gorgeous, gorgeous insides. Okay, I'm just gonna look. Let's see if they are the same color. Yes, I believe they are the same color loops. I love them so much, AJ. Wow. Wow. So, like me, if you have been looking for pen cases and didn't want to just purchase one on Amazon, check out AJ. I love the different feel of these. So this one, Indian Summer, how can I describe it? It has much more of a slick, kind of like, this is a Galen leather, like a slick feel, and this has much more of that soft, not suede, but they're both a highly sensitive person who like has issues with touch. Dream. Like, I love the feel of them both. Okay, which one am I gonna fill? We're gonna go ahead, and I think I'm gonna fill this one that says Heather. So let's do that. Let's see if I can do this on camera. Thankfully, I had already opened up my folio, my Galen leather folio. Okay, so you also get to see some of my pens. They're not all of them because, like I said, I have 6 that I'm currently in rotation using. But this, Christine gifted me this in January, so we're gonna put that in here. Wow, it fits beautifully. And then I am obsessed with these little Pilot Kakunos because of the smiley face. If I'm having like a dark day, they just make me happy. Another TWSBI. This was my very first TWSBI Eco Black that my husband got me. Okay, and then I bought this from Alicia here on YouTube. I actually bought it from her on Instagram. She was selling some of her vintage fountain pens. This is a Schaefer vintage. So I'm gonna add that in here. And then I have another vintage Parker. So also from Alicia. So I'm gonna add that. Alicia is Adventure Denali. I think she's Adventure Denali here and over on Instagram. I love how it looks in here. My very first pen case and very first pen fill. Wow. Wow. Okay, so again, shop indie artists. I highly recommend it because not only can you actually get personal and share words with the person who is the owner of the business or the maker of the thing, but you get to hear their story and you get to help them make their dreams come true. So there you have it. I hope that you guys will check AJ's work out. Go again, the company is on Etsy, Adioke or Adioke leather. So Adeeok leather. And I will again put the Etsy link down below. Stunning, stunning. Okay, guys, until next time, enjoy your wild, sexy lives.